What's up, guys? My name is Corey, and I am here to tell y'all about Todd's credit class and 100% worth it. I used to have a business or whatever, this, that, and third, but as I've been dealing with Todd, I have learned a lot dealing with credit that I did not know. And right now, yeah, I don't have perfect or awesome credit, but since I have been dealing with Todd, he has been 100% a GOAT when it comes to that. He has taught me a lot dealing with credit, and I want to say I am glad and I am happy that I am dealing with him. And I suggest for those of you that are willing to work on your credit, to change your whole life around, to be able to get things that you wanted for so long, 5 years, 10 years, that you wasn't able to get because you walked in and just say, like I said, if you're trying to get a car, vehicle, house, anything, and people, dealerships, or these homeowner clients or real estate agents turn you around because your credit wasn't good, Todd is the person to go to, man. Just for real, like no joke. All you gotta do is just do like he tell you, man. Just I know some people might be a little skeptical of this, that, and third, but it is worth it. I'm talking about 100% worth it, man. Like I say, man, it is a good deal, and it is the best deal that you could get and can get, because I mean, who knows, 5-10 years down the line, right now you might have a 400, 500 credit score, and tomorrow, next week, you might be looking at a 750. And that's what I'm trying to do, and Todd is working with me and getting me there. I mean, that's what I'm trying to be. I'm just trying to, because I want things in life, man, you know, and that's just how it is. That's our human nature. We have wants, we have needs, and like I say, once again, Todd is the GOAT. You the GOAT, my boy. And I thank you, and I wish to continue working with you and to continue learning from you. Most definitely learning from you, because like I say, you have taught me a lot that I did not know, that I wish I had known. If I knew what I knew today back then, it's because of you, man. I appreciate it. 100. Dig, my guy.